Welcome to my channel Code It. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create YouTube Shorts using Canva. Before starting with this tutorial, if you are new on my channel Code It, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. So friends, if you see, I've already logged in into Canva. Now to create YouTube Shorts using Canva, we need to click on create a design. Then over here, I need to search YouTube Shorts. Then you are going to get this option called YouTube Shorts. Remember that for YouTube Shorts, the resolution size is 1080 into 1920 pixels. Just click on it. Then in the new tab, a new blank canvas will open. So guys, this is the exact resolution for YouTube Shorts. Now at the left side, you have designs. Under designs, you are going to get tons and tons of designs that you can use for YouTube Shorts. Designs are basically templates that you can use. So they are basically pre-made templates that you can already use in your YouTube Shorts. These templates are created by Canva or any other third-party person. So you can use them in your YouTube Shorts. Then under elements, you can use many elements like square, circle, arrows and all. You can also insert text. You get many different kinds of font formats also. So guys, now let's create a YouTube Shorts of 15 seconds. I'll click on design and now let's search for travel design, basically template. So if you see, if you just hover on it, you can see the preview of it. There are free ones and also paid ones. Paid ones are shown as pro over here. So let's create one. So let me select one. So I'll select this one. So once you select, then you are going to see how many pages are there in that particular template. So if you see, there are 4 pages inside this template. I'll say apply all 4 pages. Now if you see, my YouTube Shorts has been created, and if you see, it's for 15 seconds. So these are the 4 pages. So guys, in order to play the YouTube Shorts, you need to click on this play button. Now let's first customize our YouTube Shorts. So let's change the text. So let's click over here and I'll say my first YouTube Shorts. So this is how we add text. Next, on the next slide, you see a image over here. Let's remove this image. So I've clicked and I have pressed the delete button. Now I'll go under, basically I'll click on the elements. Now I'll search for some elements, like I'll say sky. So if you see, now we can see the sky images. So I'll click on photos. Now let's select a free image. I'll click on this and I'll drag and drop over here. Now if you see, it has taken the exact shape of the previous image. Now let's click on the third page. Over here also we can change the background. So now let's change the background over here. I'll select another background. I'll say beach. Now I'll add the beach image. I'll drag and I'll drop over here. We can also adjust the position of this. Just double click and then you can drag it like this. Then click outside of click on the done button. So there you go. I'll remove this bottom element because it is disturbing the view of the video. And on the last page, we can add like, subscribe and all. So we'll replace this particular image also. I'll add this one. Now there we go. You can also add songs if you have. So let's remove this particular song. If you have, you can just drag and drop over here, and then you can drag again over here on the timeline. Now let's play our YouTube shorts. Need to click on this play button. So there you go. This is how we create YouTube shorts using Canva. It's simple and easy to use, and you can create YouTube shorts easily using Canva. It is super easy. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to create YouTube shorts using Canva. So guys, please share this content with your friends and family members, and also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.